On page M-191 and 192, problem 7-21 is an analysis of relevant costs to determine whether to replace a mixer or not. This is actually something you could use in your home or in other areas of your life. In either case, this problem will be completed on the screen. There is a format on page M-181 that should be used for this kind of analysis. It provides a convenient framework for the analysis of the problem that's being completed. Looking at the format on your screen, the first number that needs to be entered is the cost of the new mixer. Looking in the book at the top of page M-192, the cost of the new mixer is listed as $34,000. Since this is a cost, it goes on the form as a minus $34,000. Still looking at the top of page M-192, notice that the estimated useful life of the new mixer is 5 years. Going back to the previous page, notice that the old mixer had an estimated useful life of 10 years, but is already 5 years old. This means that the analysis will be for a 5-year period. The 5 years comes into play on the line labeled operating costs. Back in the book, still on page M-191, it shows an annual operating cost for the old mixer of $15,000. Since we just determined that the analysis period is 5 years, the operating costs under Keep the Old Mixer should be $15,000 times 5 for the 5 years. Once again, since this is a cost, this number will be put in as a negative number and it'll be on the column labeled Keep Old Mixer. Turning the page, the new mixer annual operating cost is estimated at $12,000. So under Buy New Mixer, on the same line, $12,000 times 5 should be entered as a negative number. In the book, back on page M-191, the old mixer has an estimated residual value of 0. That number goes on the residual value of old mixer under Keep Old Mixer. 2 lines down in the book, the estimated current fair value of the old mixer is listed at $8,000. If the new mixer was purchased, the old mixer would be sold for that, so the $8,000 goes in the Buy New Mixer column on the sales value of old mixer line. This is a cash inflow, so it is a positive number. Finally, on page M-192, the estimated residual value of the new mixer is going to be 0. So in the Buy New Mixer column, on the residual value of new mixer line, a 0 should be entered. The result of the analysis says that to keep the old mixer would cost the company $75,000. To buy the new mixer and sell the old one would cost the company $86,000. The bottom line is that it's $11,000 better to keep the old mixer than to buy the new one. As I said earlier on, this type of analysis could be something that could be useful even in your home.